Great barbecue doesn't have to be hard. Today, I'm making easy ribs, grilled country-style pork ribs that are easy to make and fall off the bone delicious every single time. Hi, I'm Deb, and this is my kitchen. Here, I cover recipes that anyone can do, plus cooking skills and tips on making your dinner table the family center of your home, because that's where family is built. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell so you never miss an episode. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in, let's cook up something good. For my easy ribs, the ingredients I'll be using are non-stick cooking spray. I'm using olive oil flavor, but original flavor would be fine too. Country style pork ribs, and I figure about half a pound per person. And your favorite barbecue sauce. I like Sweet Baby Ray's or Burman's brand honey barbecue for my ribs. First, spray your baking dish and browning pan with non-stick cooking spray. Heat your browning pan for 2 to 3 minutes and then add your ribs, taking care not to crowd the pan. Brown for 2 to 3 minutes, then turn a quarter turn. Brown for 2 to 3 minutes on that side and repeat until all 4 sides have been browned. With my ribs, I'm going to be making cheesy potato casserole, otherwise known as cardiac potatoes at my house. Click the link above for a step-by-step video on how to make them. Preheat your oven to 275 degrees. While it's warming, cover the bottom of your baking dish with barbecue sauce. Transfer browned ribs to the baking dish and roll each one in the barbecue sauce to coat. Finally, add more barbecue sauce to the top and spread evenly. Cover the dish with foil and pop in the oven for 2.5 to 3 hours. About 10 minutes before the ribs are done cooking, start heating up your gas grill. To catch drips on the way to the grill, I put my grill pan on a cookie sheet. I coat the grill pan with nonstick spray and add my ribs. I give the top one more coating of sauce and then I'm off to the grill. My burners are set to medium heat. I'm using this grill pan because the meat is so tender it'll fall between the grates if I don't. Immediately turn the sauce side of your ribs down and add one last layer of sauce to what is now the top side. Close the lid and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Keep an eye on these because the sugar in the sauce can burn. Grill until the sauce begins to caramelize and char. Flip the ribs over and grill the freshly sauced side for 3 to 4 minutes. And now these babies are ready to serve. Guys, I wish you could smell these. They're amazing. And these ribs, they're so incredibly tender and flavorful. And the best thing about them is that there's a lot of them, enough for the whole family. And that's really why we do this, right? For our families. And family is built at the dinner table when you bring together good food and good fun. And if you feed them these, they will come.